Alright, my newest, most wonderful thing I've been making lately in the Optimum 9200 blender has been a vegan Alfredo sauce, which is fantastic, and all of my family love it. They love it over roast veggies, they love it over pasta, they love it as a dip. It's fantastic. I'm thinking of also putting it over lasagna instead of cheese sauce. So this is what we've got. We've got 2 cups of raw cashews that I've soaked for half an hour. Just put that straight into the blender. 1 cup of water. We've got the juice of half a lemon. There we go. 1 clove of garlic. This is a very large clove, but they're not very strong, so that's fine. We're doing 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'll post the recipe for this below the video, but I do suggest that you follow it exactly to start with, and then if you want to adjust it to your family's taste, go for it. And then we've got 1 tablespoon of savoury yeast flakes, which are really high in vitamin B12. Fantastic for vegetarians. Okay, so do a flat tablespoon, don't do a big heaping one to start with, and then see how you go. Alright, so we're going to blend this up in the Optimum. I'm going to use the tamper as well this time, so just slide that in. Okay, it won't take long, we'll set it for about 35 seconds. You can also thin this sauce out if you decide you want to with some water, but we won't need to in this particular case. So I'm going to do it for 35 seconds. The machine will start on low and then increase in speed and then stop automatically at the 35-second mark. Here we go. Tastes fantastic. You can see that it's really, really creamy. Tastes really cheesy and sweet and garlicky and salty, and just it's fantastic. So anyway, that's the sauce. Now what I've actually made, I don't know how I got through my life with never having seen one of these before. It's a julienne peeler. So you peel things like zucchini or carrot, or any vegetables that you like, and it makes them into strips. What you can do with it is make a substitute for your typical spaghetti wheat pasta. Okay, so that's what it looks like. What we're going to do is pour our Alfredo sauce onto the top of it, and then we'll be able to plate it up. Okay, so you can see how creamy it is. Absolutely beautiful. As I said, my kids love this over roast veggies. We had it actually last night over roast veggies. So you can see how it looks. It's just lovely. Alright, here's some tomatoes I picked from my garden only a little while ago. So we'll plate up. So our creamy, raw food, beautiful Alfredo pasta. You could also add basil to this. You could add no end to flavourings. You could add sun-dried tomatoes, whatever you like. Just lovely. And as I said, you can have it as a dip as well for veggies and crackers. That's really nice. You could even thin it out with water and make it into a great potato salad for the barbecue. Alright, so that is our vegan Alfredo creamy pasta sauce with zucchini pasta. made with our Optimum 92 high power blender.